Hello everyone. Today we solve these type of problems. 20 to the power a plus 20 to the power a plus 20 to the power a divided 10 to the power a plus 10 to the power a plus 10 to the power a is equal to 100. Then find a. How to solve it? Let's check. Solution. Twenty to the power a plus 20 to the power a plus 20 to the power a divided 10 to the power a plus 10 to the power a plus 10 to the power a is equal to 100. Yes. 20 to the power a, we take it common. Then 1 plus 1 plus 1 divided 10 to the power a is common, then 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 100. 20 to the power a into 3 divided 10 to the power a into 3 is equal to 100. 3 cancel in numerator and denominator. Then 20 to the power a by 10 to the power a is equal to 10 to the power 2. 100 we split 10 to the power 2. Yes, we know a to the power m by b to the power m is equal to a by b whole to the power m. We apply here. 20 by 10 whole to the power a is equal to 10 to the power 2. 10 1 ja, 10 2 ja. Yes. 2 to the power a is equal to 10 to the power 2. Multiply log on both sides. Log 2 to the power a is equal to log 10 to the power 2. Yes, we know log a to the power b is equal to b log a. We apply here. A log 2 is equal to 2 log 10. Log 2 divided on both sides. Log 2 divide on both sides. Then a log 2 by log 2 is equal to 2 log 10 by log 2. Yes, this one. Then log 2 is cancel on numerator and denominator. Okay. A is equal to 2 log 10 by log 2. A is equal to 2 log 10 is 5 into 2 divided log 2. Yes. Then we know log a into b is equal to log a plus log b. Okay. Log a into b is equal to log a plus log b. We apply here. 2 into log 5 plus log 2 divided log 2. Okay. A is equal to 2 log 5 by log 2 plus log 2 by log 2. Then log 2 cancel. A is equal to 2 log 5 by log 2 plus 2. 2 into 1, it is 2. Okay. Then A is equal to log 5 to the power 2 by log 2 plus 2. Here this 2 is the power. Then the value of A is equal to log 5 to the power 2 base 2 plus 2. Because we know log A by log B is equal to log A base B. Yes, we apply here. Then the another one also in logarithm. Check this one. A log B is equal to log B to the power A. We apply here also. Okay. This is the value of A. Okay. Let's verify is correct or wrong. Okay. This is the question. Then we solve. Then the answer we got it. What is that? 2 to the power A is equal to 10 to the power 2. Then in here we put the value of A and verify. Okay. Then 2 to the power log 5 to the power 2 base 2 plus 2 is equal to 10 to the power 2. Okay. We know A to the power m plus n is equal to A to the power m into A to the power n. Yes. Then 2 to the power log base 2 plus 2 to the power, this is into 2 to the power 2 is equal to 10 to the power 2. This is multiplication. Then 2 log 2. Another one. A log B base A is equal to B. Then here 2 log 5 to the power 2 base 2. Here the answer is 5 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2 is equal to 10 to the power 2. Then 5 to the power 2 is 25 into 4 is equal to 100. Then 100 is equal to 100. Both LHS and RHS are equal. Thank you everyone. Subscribe my channel to see this type of interesting video.